Something could change or a train could arrive. They'll call me a name I won't recognize, and I will sing along as long as we're moving. I don't care if we're lost.
What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sherri and I'm so glad that you joined me today. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. Well, today I have something new. Isn't something new always fun? But it is coming from Live Glam or from Morphe, and it is a new subscription box called Shadow Me. And I believe I learned this from Just Anne's channel, and I will link her up in the card so you can go check her out. She has a really cool channel and it's predominantly subscription boxes, so I learn about a lot of subscription boxes from Anne. I'm not sure if that's a good thing because it ends up coming out of my checking account, but regardless, thank you, Anne, for turning me onto this subscription. So this is called Shadow Me. It's $19.99. It comes every other month, and so I kind of like that. It's not bad, but it comes with a palette, so I'm going to go ahead and show you. This is the box that it comes in. When you open it up, it has some nice padding here so that it's protected. It says, curated eyeshadows every other month. We see stars in your eyes. Liveglam.com. Hashtag LiveGlamFam. So like I said, it's got a nice piece of foam here to protect it. And it's really beautiful inside the way that it's packaged. It looks to me like they have a slot here for maybe if you order a lipstick or something else. I can't remember what else. There are some other options, but I just got the eyeshadow palette. It comes with a little pamphlet, and it says Live Glam Shadow Me Marbled LA is what this palette is called. Inside it shows you and tells you about each shade. There are 6 shades. I'm going to go ahead and open it and show you the packaging. I'll take some pictures of it before it's used so that I can put those in here, and maybe some swatches. We'll see how it goes. It's early in the morning and I have to be at work, so I'm trying to fit in this video. We'll see how it goes. But this is what it looks like. Isn't that beautiful? It's just gold and pink on black, kind of a marbled concoction configuration. But anyways, this is a sleeve, so if you push out here you can pull out the actual palette, which looks exactly like the sleeve. It doesn't have anything on the back. Inside is beautiful and rose gold, and these are the shades. There are name shades on the palette, which is nice. I always appreciate that. We've got Malibu, Venice Beach, Santa Monica, City of Angels, Hollywood, and Beverly Hills. Those are the names of the shades. So in here, I think there's a description of each shade. So we'll talk about that. Alright, Malibu is this shade right here. I don't think I'm going to hold this up since it's so reflective. It says, our first stop is Malibu, where life is good and simple, just like this matte cream shade. Next is Venice Beach, this one right here. Dig your toes into the sand at Venice Beach and look like a bronze goddess wearing this matte, warm tan shade. Next is the third one over, Santa Monica. Hit the Santa Monica Pier wearing this matte chocolate brown, perfect for a day in the sun. Next is City of Angels, right here. In the City of Angels, you can make any dreams come true. Let your wings shine and complement your halo with this gorgeous silver shimmer. It doesn't look silver to me. It looks kind of like a champagne gold. Hollywood. Be as noticeable as the Hollywood sign wearing this iconic shimmering gold shade. And then finally, Beverly Hills. I think this is my favorite shade. Take a ride through Beverly Hills sporting this matte rich brown. You can look just as luxurious as the view in this shade. And that's beautiful, you guys. I like the fact that there's 4 mattes and 2 shimmers. I feel like you can absolutely get a complete look from this right off the gate, or right out the gate. There's a nice mirror here, and the packaging is very sturdy. It's got some weight to it. It's cardboard. It's magnetized. The packaging is really beautiful. I like the way that it came in this box too. It almost looks like a PR set. But I'm going to read to you the information on the back here since we're new to this. It says, this month we are sending you to the City of Angels with 6 new shades that will have you shining brighter than the stars of Hollywood. Our first palette is influenced by sunny Southern California, where it all began here at Live Glam. These neutral matte and shimmery shades will get you started on this exciting journey with us, and our rich pigments will have you feeling like $1,000,000. It doesn't stop here. You'll get a palette with 6 brand new shades every other month. If you ever run out, more colors will be arriving to your doorstep just in time. Penny Pan has never felt so good. Make sure to let your eyes do the talking by tagging hashtag LiveGlamFam and on the gram and spread the word. Cheers to being best blends forever. Haha, love Live Glam. So I guess this isn't necessarily Morphe. This is a Live Glam subscription, but it's on the Morphe website. When you go to Morphe Me and all the subscriptions, there's actually several now. There's a lip one. There's some different ones, but this is the one I was interested in, and I'm probably going to give it 3 times to see what I like. $20 isn't bad. I'm on a low buy. $20 for a palette isn't bad. But like I said, just initial right out the gate stuff here. I like the configuration. I like that there are 4 mattes and 2 shimmers. I like that there's a transition, a mid-tone, and a deep shade, and a light matte highlighter shade. I don't have any complaints. You guys know that when I get palettes that don't have one of these elements, it kind of irritates me because I can't do a complete look with that palette, but I do believe I can do a very quick look with this palette. It has all the elements that I need. So just FYI, I'll put all the information for how to get to this subscription, the information, how to sign up and all that. I'll have it down below. But that's a lot of talking, but this is new, so I just wanted you to know everything about it that I knew. Alright, so with no further ado, let's get into the eye look. Alright, I did do some snapshots, but here are the colors. I just thought I would name them for you. You can barely see Malibu, but Malibu, Venice Beach, Santa Monica, City of Angels, Hollywood, and Beverly Hills. So, those are the swatches for you. So far, really happy with the pigmentation and the texture. We'll see how they apply to the eye. I already have my eyes primed and everything else done on my face so that we could have time to do that this morning. You guys might do this morning. My school year is getting ready to start. I've only so far done some professional development. Sorry. And gotten my room ready. Today we have our big staff meeting. I have a team meeting, and I have meet the teacher meet and greet from 3 to 6. So it's going to be a super busy day. I know it'll go fast, but I want to look pretty for my little munchkin head, so that's the plan today. I'm going to start with a BH Cosmetics blender, and I'm going to go into Venice Beach. I'm probably just going to hold these up for you since I've shown you all of them and get through this look quickly since I have to be somewhere. You guys know how I roll. So anyway, let's check it out. Let's see how these perform. Going in with Venice Beach, and from this point forward, I will just point, show you the brush, and get after it.
Something could change, or a train could arrive. They'll call me a name I won't recognize. I will sing alone as long as we're moving. I don't care if we're lost.
Soon as that yellow light change, we pull off in that range. I done seen everything, you can tell by my age. I'm just lost, baby, trying to figure out my ways. I'm a dog, baby, trying to break out of this cage. No other option, baby, gotta make my name. We stubborn niggas like we always do the same thing. Lead a club at 1 or 2, probably leave with 1 or 2. Watch it with some wild dudes, you'll be entertained, I promise. Whatever that you need, I got it. My mama told me I'm a prophet, but all them drugs, boy, you gotta stop them. You gotta stop them.
Something could change, or a train could arrive. They'll call me a name I won't recognize. And I will sing along as long as we're moving. I don't care if we're lost.
Just a quick look at this, you guys, so you can see how much pickup there is. There's a bit. I don't mind. That's how I take care of that problem, and so it doesn't bother me. The pigmentation has been very good. The blendability is there. It reminds me, if I had to make a comparison, probably to the formula of the Jaclyn Hill Big Palette. Good stuff, so I'm happy with it. I used every single color. I think I came up with something pretty, so I'm going to go put on lashes, liner, mascara, and I'll be back. We'll talk about picking out a lippy. Alright folks, I'm back with the finished eye look. I did want to say that I didn't have a lot of trouble with fallout. I did have a little bit of gold that kind of fell out a little bit. I think it was partially my fault because I went in really ham with that gold shade. It's very soft. The shimmers are very soft and very blendable, and so you don't need as much as I was trying to put on. I think if I hadn't gone in so ham, I probably wouldn't have had any fallout, but it brushed away easily. And this is what I ended up with. Just some winged liner. The eyelashes are Christina Demi Wispies, and I'm very satisfied with the look. I think it's pretty. Very happy with the palette. So far I'm very satisfied with this subscription. I think it's a quality palette, so I'm excited to use it again. I think I would love just to do a real quick look with the transition, this on the brow bone, this on the outer corner, and this on the lid. But today I was just feeling golden, goddessy, and bronzy, and all that jazz. So, alright, I decided on a lippy. I'm going to use the Plump Line Lip Line Hush lip liner. I'm going to put that on my entire lip. And I'm going to use the Bare Minerals Gen Nude in Boss, because I'm going in to my classroom, meeting some of my kids for the first time, and I gotta go in there like a boss, right? So my lip color needs to match my Miss Thing attitude. So let's go in with this stuff and get this on. Putting it on my the liner on my entire lip so that my lippy will stay. I'm gonna have a long day from about now, which is 8, all the way until about 6 o'clock p.m. So I don't want to have to retouch my lippy a bunch of times, and if I fill in my entire lip, that usually increases the staying power. I would like these little hairs on my face to disappear and stay gone. So here we go. In fact, my lips are looking a little dry, so I'm going to go in with some Laneige lip mask too before I get started here. Just right in the center. Before I go any further, I did want to tell you guys, I want to give a little bit of a spotlight shout out. You guys know that I am involved with a YouTuber growth group, and it's an awesome collection of women from all over the place, and it's just really wonderful. So each week the creator is Lulu from Aging Gorgeously. I'll link her up there. Every week she chooses 2 people to spotlight, and we are supposed to give them shout outs in our videos. You will see them in the cards in most of my videos, but for this week we have Evelina and we have Kelly Houston, and those are both beautiful women. Evelina's super creative. She has some really cool editing and videography. She's just super talented and has a lot of different variety of things on her channel. Kelly Houston is awesome at makeup, super skilled, and comes up with some very beautiful looks. She's got a gorgeous deeper skin tone, so if you have a deeper skin tone, she's a wonderful person to watch. Even if you don't, her eye looks would go beautifully, would work beautifully on anybody. So I will link those 2 ladies up there and down below just so you know. And now I'm going to go in with Boss. Alright guys, let me put my camera up a bit so I don't look entirely bold. Alright, here's an up close and personal for you. I did have a challenging eyeliner day, so don't mind that. It's whatever. But that's the final look, and like I said, happy with the subscription so far. Really like this palette, think it's quality shadows, blended beautifully, not a ton of fallout. It just worked out really well for me, and I'm excited to see what comes next time. So that's it for me, guys. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for bearing with me as my school year starts. It's going to be kind of here and there. There may be days that I miss. I'm trying really hard for that not to happen. I'm trying to learn how to use a new camera and lighting, and I'm having some problems with that. So I'm just going to ask for your forgiveness right here from the beginning, because it'll be a little while before I get all those kinks worked out. And in the meantime, I'm going to continue to film with my camera, and so that I don't miss having content up for you guys. Again, check out those beautiful ladies that I've linked that are being spotlighted this week, Evelina and Kelly. Go check them out. And if you want more information about this Live Glam Shadow Me subscription, I'll put it down in the info box for you. Alright, so that's it for me. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, take care and God bless. Bye, guys. And I think that's all. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate you guys. If you give...
Something could change, or a train could arrive. They'll call me a name I won't recognize, and I will sing along as long as